Paigawad ng sertipiko ng pagkilala sa ating panauhing tagapagsalita, inaanyayahan po ang ating gurong namamahala, Ginoong Danilo Y. de Torres, gurong tagapayo ng ika-6 na baitang, Ginang Raida P. Damot, gurong tagapayo ng kindergarten, Ginang Maribel M. Rizal, gayon din po ang ating panauhing tagapagsalita, Dr. Elvira B. Katanay. Sign ko po muna ang citation ng certificate, Republic of the Philippines, Department of Education, Region 4A Calabarzon, Division of Laguna, Santa Maria Sub-Office, Elementary School, Certificate of Recognition. This certificate is proudly to Dr. Elvira B. Katanay in grateful acknowledgement of her distinguished and invaluable service rendered as guest speaker during the graduation ceremony and moving up of Pulong Mindanao Elementary School with the theme Henerasyon ng Pagkakaisa, Kaagapay sa Bagong Pilipinas, thereby contributing immeasurably to the prestige and success of the equation.